Hey Alto saxophones, thanks for tuning in again. Today, we're going to review our ensemble music piece called Serpents. Yep, the song's about snakes. So grab your saxophone and your sheet music and let's get started. This piece, Serpents, has an F sharp in the key signature, but we'll be using a lot of different notes to make it sound spooky. It's also in 4/4 time from the beginning through to the end, and the tempo is 88 beats per minute. So I've got my metronome set at an 88 speed. Let's get started and play the introduction. It's the first 5 measures. The first 2 measures are rest, so we'll count them and then we'll play the notes that follow. Ready? Here we go with those rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 1, 2, 3, stop. Now the notes B and C on our alto saxophone are 1 finger apart, like this. You can hear me going back and forth. I'd like you to try a different fingering for the note C. It's built on the B. You see, C, you use your first finger for B, but then with your right hand and your first finger, I'd like you to push on the key right above the B flat key. It's the one in the middle. B and side key make the note C. Try that. Let's play that introduction again. 1, ready, set, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Rest. How did it work using your side C? That's going to be an interesting and helpful tip for the next section, starting at measure 6. We're going back and forth from B to C, slurring and tonguing. Let's go from measure 6 to measure 13. 1 and 2 and 6, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, and stop. So that side C is very, very helpful. Great. Now we're going to start at measure 13, and we're going to go to measure number 20. In this section, we have a B flat. It's coming up towards measure 20, a B flat note. So make sure you play your B flat 2 inside. 13. 1, 2, ready, play. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Now we're at measure 20. We'll start there and we'll play to measure 29. In this section of the piece, we have a note E flat. If you can find it, it's on the 4th line of the sheet music, and it's in the 2nd measure. An E flat note is based on the fingering for D, 3 fingers and 3 fingers. But we'll use this pinky on our right hand on this top key right here. Pushing it down gives us E flat, D, E flat. Use it when we get to the E flat in this section. Here's measure 20. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, ready, and play. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. Rest. So that E flat note comes right after a D. Just like that. We're going to get more practice because we use that same E flat in this measure 29. Here we go from 29 to 38. 1, 2, 29, and rest, rest. that brings us up to measure 38. In measure 38, we've got a whole note to begin, and then we'll use our F natural from E to F natural for some more eighth notes. Measure 38, 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3. At the end of the piece, you get to make the serpent sound, but you do it on beat 4. So yeah, there on the last line, we were playing our A and our B flat fingerings. So make sure that you can incorporate that fingering in as you play the piece too. All right, so I've got 2 things for you to do now. We've played through all of the segments to Serpents, so it's now your turn to take and get a metronome, set it at 88, and see if you can play through the song Serpents with all of those new notes and rhythms that we've learned. Then, once you're accurate enough, try playing along to the song Serpents with the recording on our Blackboard page. It's in the Band Music Recordings folder. All right, so until I see you next time, keep practicing.